Is what happened? You vex with me?
You never get my voice message?
I get about 4 of them.
The last one.
Yeah.
What it say?
It say I never call back your phone.
So what you do ya?
Yes, I never call your phone. So I come here in person.
I can answer something?
Yeah.
Something wrong with your phone?
No. I just have some things I do.
And you could just call me and say that?
I just need some time to and to just clear my head.
You could have still call or send a message about that Kareem.
Boy, Tony, and I can't even know how I go on.
Alright, so Tiffany, what we're gonna do, we're gonna plan, we have to get another location. It can't happen here. So you have to be at a place either in the woods or somewhere. We want to see you look tear up, stressed out, hungry, thirsty, and you need a limp. So it can maybe happen on your right leg. But the thing about it, Tiffany, once you have a limp on this leg, you can't change it to the next leg when you're tired of the right one.
So hold on, Mom. When they ask me where I get the limp from, what do I tell them?
Tell them you jump off a balcony. That's how you escape.
Okay.
Alright, so come now, we need to practice the limp.
Right now?
Yes, right now, right leg, come, get up.
Okay.
Alright, so you have to decide if the pain in your hip or in your knee.
Feel like I have this in a moment.
Try it.
Feel like it
Push out the leg, Tiffany. Hip.
What do you mean? How people limp?
What you do? Tiffany, you look like you're one of the new dance them. Don't you look like a limp?
Show me that now, Mommy.
Like this.
Okay.
And make sure you hold the hip.
But Mom, that looks handicapped.
Do what me tell you for the man.
Alright, serious thing now.
Before me make a plan, I should start off from here, so.
Yeah, it's gonna take a little work and practice.
Me not gonna know if you not tell me na Kareem. Me and Shappy I try get you up so you can start the food thing over there so. And you just disappear. You make me look like me an idiot in front of Shappy. Because I me tell him say more you use over there so for start a business. How that look?
I'm sorry still. I never know it would have bothered you so much, I would have caused so much harm.
Kareem, when somebody care about you, you know, they can't just lack off communication. It make people worry.
So you care about me?
Of course. But we're not have to in a relationship for me care about you. You're my friend.
So you could have put boy in front of the friend?
Don't push it.
You know, from a meet to Tony, it just give me a happy vibes.
Same with me, na Kareem. You always make me smile. Kareem, what wrong with you?
Tony, and the other day, missing me. I can't talk about it.
Xpressionz.
I've never been late. Everything's zip. What?